Welcome to another video. In this video I will show you my Luftwaffe custom figure and his bicycle.
Bicycle.
This is a Luftwaffe ground soldier. This is his bike. Ignore the guy in the back, it's just to fill up the video. This is a 1.6 scale bike from the manufacturer Dragon. This bike was available alone or with figures included. As far as I know, the base model is always the same, despite some changes over time. Not being perfect, I decided to add some details like the wire that connects the dynamo to the light, and it was all repainted and weathered. This bike always looks good in any collection. In time I will add equipment to make it more appealing. And now the guy. It's a Dragon Macho doll. This figure was acquired incomplete, and the way it is now is because I have evolved it over time. His helmet is metal. I added the Y strap and the rest of the equipment. The head sculpt has been touched up in terms of painting to give it a less doll-like tone. On the left chest there is the Luftwaffe Anti-Aircraft Flag Battle Badge. The Anti-Aircraft Flag Battle Badge, German, Flakkampfabzeichen der Luftwaffe, was a World War II military decoration of Nazi Germany. It was instituted on 10 January 1941 by Hermann Göring in his capacity as the Commander-in-Chief of the Luftwaffe. The badge was awarded to servicemen of the Flak Artillery who distinguished themselves in action against enemy aerial or ground attacks. The head sculpt for this figure is Peck, and Peck was part of a set with two figures, Hunt and Peck, U.S. Army Light Machine Gun Team 17 7th Infantry Division, Guam 1944, that's the guy on the left. And so this video ends. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and so. This video was supposed to be a short and it ended up like this. I hope you liked. I see you in the next video.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.